Let's do it.
Let's go, guys.
Let's do this.
I need to make sure that if I have a problem, my kids' climb is not stopped.
I think you can get to Camp 4. I wouldn't say with the same confidence you can get to the summit.
Come on, guys, you have to hurry.
When I look back into my life, it'll be like a beautiful family adventure with my dad and with my brother.
Il y a des moments c'était hyper dangereux quand même, hein. Il y avait des séracs et tout.
We did this because we didn't know it was impossible, like you like to say.
Just arrived in Kathmandu, and Rice and I and our dad picked up our 12 suitcases.
All this. Back to Nepal.
To Nepal, thank you, God.
So right now we're doing the gear check for Mera Peak and for EBC. So we're just splitting everything. Yeah, it's my harness.
When it's very cold, we have this one, and this one against the one, and even the blue one as well.
Ready to go.
Yes.
So we ended up staying in Lukla and not going à côté. What a coincidence! We're staying at the same place where we first came when we came here in 2004 in October. Hello. Hello.
Okay, now we have a planning to order the lunch. Good lunch.
Now we're here in Kote,
We can start with our acclimatization run.
And we're gonna be sleeping at 4,200 meters tonight. Most importantly, we really have to focus on our acclimatization. That is super crucial to our bigger objective, which is Everest. So yeah, hopefully that goes well. And really big thanks to the whole team, and especially the porters who are carrying all our duffel bags along the way. So hey guys, we're currently heading to the base camp of Mera Peak, which stands at 5,300 meters.
Thank you.
Very good.
J'ai envie de dire à tous les individuels qui sont à Madagascar que je suis très jaloux parce que il fait tellement froid ici et j'ai hâte de rentrer à Madagascar. Dans le soleil, sur la plage.
How are you guys?
Good. Comfortable.
When do you think we'll leave?
Yeah, at 8 o'clock, I guess. And then we go to the high camp. Good morning. Good.
Good morning, Friday.
Vendredi magnifique.
It's snowing like crazy. It's cold. We're very high.
Mera Peak! We're here! My son! You're the best.
Leaving Mera Peak, high camp 6,000 meters.
Mera Peak. Je sais que les enfants sont prêts. C'est ce que j'ai découvert à Mera Peak. Les enfants sont vraiment prêts.
Hi, how's it going?
So why Everest matters and what's the meaning of summiting Everest? First point is, no one from Madagascar has done it. You know, it's really out of our comfort zone. That's the first thing. The second point is doing this as a family with my brother and my father. I think that's truly exceptional.
For me, summiting Mount Everest means that I've done a hard thing. When I look back into my life, it'll be like a beautiful family adventure with my dad and with my brother. This is a nice family adventure that is very difficult and challenges ourselves as well.
We're currently still at base camp, and we're at where we did the puja ceremony. And we also made a wish. Now we're on our way to Camp 1. Let's do it.
Let's go, guys.
Let's do this.
Good morning, Kim 1.
Everest almost in the morning sun.
How do you feel?
I'm feeling good.
What do you have tonight?
No dinner because my stomach is upset. But I'm trying to do my recovery as good as possible, you know, like when I came back.
On get c'est là, vas-y, on va.
Comment ils vont les champions?
Just sleeping a lot because we didn't sleep last night. Good soup. Good soup.
Bonne nuit.
Have a good night.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How's my trip, brother?
Wana.
Wana.
Ha, like someone said it. Yeah, so we're at Camp 1 right now. It's 6:06 and we're about to head to Camp 2. It's a beautiful day outside.
I know it's not your kitchen, but I want to eat Peking duck with the wrap, you know.
So we're currently at Camp 2. I feel amazing, I feel great. And I was thinking on the road, the easiest section about Everest is Camp 1 to Camp 2, but it's also the most eye-opening section. It's so imposing when you look at the view. Voilà. Allô, ça va?
Papa moyen, tu vois, Rio. Regarde qui est avec moi là.
Coucou. Hello.
On est au camp 2, on est sympa. Ce matin, on est parti vers 6h, 6h30. Et tu sais quoi? 2h52 après, j'étais au camp 2. Alors qu'il m'avait fallu 6h l'année dernière. Donc bon, pour l'instant, on croise les doigts, on verra. Mais pendant ce trajet, j'ai quand même mal à la main. Je sentais que la main était faible parce que j'utilisais l'épaule, tu vois. Il y a des moments, c'était hyper dangereux quand même. Hein. Il y avait des séracs et tout. Donc, et Harald et Souman, les deux, ils filaient. Bah, c'est normal, quoi. Ils avaient peur pour leur vie, tu vois. Ils filaient. Et donc là, je savais que, putain, là, il faut que j'aille... Donc, j'essayais d'accélérer la cadence. Puis 15 minutes après, je voyais Souman sur un rocher en train de me filmer. Je dis, là, c'est bon. On est en sécurité. Donc, je ralentissais ma cadence.
I recommend going to bed very soon after this because we're going to get up early. And a bunch more people will summit tomorrow, and things are looking really great for us.
Tomorrow is the big day because that's now the real mountain is starting. We can't say that because Kumbuaiswal was something, okay? Destination is Camp 3. Let's enjoy it. It might take 6 hours minimum. We'll see. Good night. Come on, guys, you have to hurry. All good?
Good. Have fun, Dad. Are you leaving now?
Yeah.
Good luck.
See you guys.
Love you. Ça va? Bien.
How you doing? All right? Should be good. Enjoy. And look forward to hearing about it. All right?
Last year it was very close.
Yeah.
But this year you have to make it.
Yeah.
Okay, good luck.
Take care. Thanks.
Yeah, okay.
Ça va les enfants? Bon.
Why? How's the hero? How's it going?
I think I can go to Camp 4, but Camp 4 there's one thing is the yellow band. I heard that there's a lot of snow on it, but there's a lot of Jumering, yeah?
It's true that the G-mooring is more difficult. Camp 3 to Camp 4 is on
No,
level.
the thing but is that it's not my decision only now. It's the decision of the guides. It's a decision, you know, you can't take risk.
Well, as you said, it's not our decision, it's the guy's decision. I think you can get to Camp 4. I wouldn't say with the same confidence you can get to the summit.
What do you think, Harold?
As a friend,
Thank you, bro.
as a friend, I would like to support you to bring you up, yeah. But as a guide, it's too much risk. I'm already afraid of how to bring you down. You should be really happy to have reached these 7,000 meters. And now it's risking more and more of your life, and I'm not sure if this is really necessary. Yeah?
And again, you know, I mean, you guys will have the last decision, and of course, which is natural.
Sometime, if we take a wrong decision here, everybody's going up, then after it's gonna be big problem, right?
You have to all come down here, so then no Madagascar flag is on the summit, and so maybe.
I don't mind going down, but I don't mind taking the decision going to Camp 4. This is where I am. But the safety is the most important thing in both cases.
I will try to bring you safely down with Pemba and the second Sherpa.
Yeah, I just hope that this adventure for you guys here in Himalaya, in Nepal, I don't want to be a patronizing father, but yes, as a father, that you become a better human beings. This is what I want you guys to get out of this adventure, that you get your better human beings, okay? Love is everything, okay?
Yeah.
Cheers, guys. Thank you for your patience, and thanks, Al. And thank you for considering this part of the team.
Thank you so much. Solid guys. Alefa.
Alefa.
Madagascar.
Nice, come on, guys. I'm the happiest man on life. You know why? Because I managed for Madagascar with my kids, and for my love for Catherine, I managed to go to the highest altitude ever in the world, except in the Himalaya. There's no mountain above 7,000 meters in the world except in Himalaya. So I'm the happiest person on earth. Bye-bye.
Bye.
You. See what? Good. See you, great birthday. Go, guys.
Okay.
Go.
Love you, Dad. Love you. We're currently at Camp 3 and we're getting ready. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. We're getting ready to go to Camp 4. This is our second time at Camp 4, and hopefully we make it. We've been an amazing team. Camp 3 to Camp 4 was very good. Camp 4 was Zone de la Mort. We're hoping to start our summit push tonight at 10 p.m. I'm so happy. I just have one wish to one God, to 10 gods, to Buddha, to Everest. Please, I just wish all of us to, including the Sherpas, the guide, the cinematographers, something happens to one of us, then it's a failure. So please, Everest, give us this one chance. It's our second time here. We're getting ready for the summit push. Everything's ready. Just need to put my harness on, new oxygen bottle. Everybody ready? Thank you, Pasant. Thank you, everyone. We're at the balcony. It's really cold. Basang and the Sherpa team are really great. Super helpful.
Mikidos, I'm so proud of you.
My brother that I'm so proud of, that I look up to every single day. First Malagasy, first person from Madagascar to make it to Everest.
We did this because we didn't know it was impossible, like you like to say. like it. Person that was on this team was thanks to you. These shared moments will forever stay scarred. So I love you, Dad, and thank you so much